Think your dog's expensive? Wait till you meet the world's priciest pups. Number 5, Chow Chow. With a lion's mane and a blue-black tongue, this ancient Chinese breed can cost up to $9,000. Number 4, Laotian. The little lion dog of European royalty. Super rare, super cute. Price tag, up to $10,000. Number 3, Samoyed. Fluffy, friendly, and frosty. This Siberian beauty can cost $11,000 or more, and yes, it sheds like snow. Number 2, Czechoslovakian wolf dog, half wolf, all wild. Rare and powerful, expect to pay up to $10,000 for this stunning hybrid. And number 1, Tibetan Mastiff, the king of dogs, one even sold for $1.9 million. Massive, majestic, and pure luxury. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.